Talofa lover and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are headed back to Hawaii to visit the Polynesian Cultural Center, otherwise known as PCC, in Laie, Hawaii. Enjoy! When we first arrived at the Polynesian Cultural Center, we headed straight to the Samoan village where we were able to witness fire starting. As you can see, I had a try, and while he made smoke, I just made myself out of breath and was very silly. Of course, we made it just in time for the umu, where they were making some fa'alifu fa'i, some bananas with coconut cream, and we were very lucky to eat some. We watched part of the show, always funny to see the show again. Then Logan saw some people outside learning Siva Afi, so he had to have a try and a spin for himself. We then headed to Aotearoa village where the show was completely full and we didn't make it inside, so Logan decided to have a spin with his mate in the field. Then we headed back to Samoan village where we were able to watch coconut tree climbing.
Everybody clap your hands. Can somebody scream? Yay. His first day on the job. He's gonna jump to this one. Everybody say also. Also.
Okay, family, are you guys ready? Yeah. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Everybody say jump. Yeah. Are you crazy?
I'm sorry. He's the new guy. Last week was windy. We lost 9 of them. They all rest in pieces. Give him a big hand. Come on. Yay.
Then Logan did some double Siva Afi spinning practice in the middle of the Malai. Something new that was added to the Samoan village is the inclusion of an actual live Siva Afi performance at the village. So enjoy!
Everybody say Tarafa!
Tarafa! Tarafa!
We were then able to eat dinner at the amazing Gateway Buffet. The buffet has such a wide variety of different foods, and they're actually delicious foods. So head out to the Gateway Buffet, sorry. Then we watched the evening show after looking at their marketplace. It was a wonderful event, and we loved PCC. And if you feel that PCC is somewhere you would like to visit, click the link in the description where you could get a 10% discount.